Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the 10 things you need to know before you take a cruise for the first time. Going on a cruise can be a lot of fun, but it can be a bit overwhelming if you don't know what to expect. So, let's dive right in. Choose the right cruise. Before you book your cruise, make sure to research and choose the right one for you. Consider the length, itinerary, activities, and amenities of each cruise line. Also, read reviews from previous passengers to get a better understanding of the experience. Plan your excursions. Most cruises offer various excursions at the ports of call. Research and plan your activities in advance, you don't want to miss out on any must-see sites or excursion. Be sure to also consider the cost and book in advance to save money. Pack wisely. Packing for a cruise can be tricky since you have limited amount of space in your cabin. So pack light, comfortable clothing, and shoes. Don't forget to bring any necessary documents, such as your passport or ID, and medications. Arrive early. Arrive at the port early to avoid long lines and to give yourself plenty of time to check in and get settled on the ship. This will also allow you to explore the port and surrounding area before you set sail. Understand the cruise line's policies. Please read and understand the cruise line's policies, such as the dress code, smoking regulations and gratuity. It will help you avoid any surprises during your cruise. Set a budget. Cruises can be expensive, so set a budget for your trip. Consider the cost of the cruise, excursions, drinks, and any other additional expenses you may incur. Always stick to your budget to avoid overspending and financial stress. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial during a cruise, especially if you plan to spend a lot of time in the sun. Bring a refillable water bottle or purchase one on board, and drink plenty of water throughout the day. Get to know the ship. Take some time to explore the ship and familiarize yourself with its layout. This will help you find your way around and make the most of your cruise experience. Don't forget your sea legs. If you're prone to motion sickness, make sure to bring medication or remedies to help alleviate the symptoms. Try to book a cabin in the middle or lower deck, where there may be less movement. Relax and have fun. Finally, remember to relax and have fun. A cruise is a fantastic opportunity to unwind, disconnect from technology, and enjoy quality time with loved ones. Take advantage of the onboard amenities, entertainment, and activities to make the most of your vacation. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope these 10 tips will help you prepare for your first cruise and make it an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.